Hi everyone, hope you're doing fantastic today. I wanted to make a quick video send out to you to give you some of the recent updates that Microsoft has made, make you aware of them. And I also want to point out that as we go through this, if there's something that you do not see is available in your account, please reply to the email that you've received and let us know. We'll get everything situated and set up so that you will have the exact same settings as what you're going to see in this video. So the first one that many of you have been asking about since potentially joining or getting an Office 365 license and accessing the site is the challenge with sharing folders and files and having to log into the site. Well, the good news is that no longer is the case, at least in one part. Now you will need to log in to get to your shared files, but maybe there's something that they're working on that we don't know. But in order to share a folder or a file, all you have to do is click on your folder with the blue cloud, which is your OneDrive app. Using File Explorer to get there, and here you'll notice you'll see the folder structure that I currently have on any of these. Say I wanted to share this folder. Whenever let's go up a little higher, maybe there's a little more room. Whenever I right click on this folder, you'll notice that as I go down, there are a few options that were not there until recently. One of them is share, another one is view online, and the third option is choose OneDrive folders to sync. If you do not have any of these options, please reply to that email that you have received that points you to this video. Let us know and we will get you set up. All you have to do whenever you do want to share a folder or a file, just simply click on the share option, and then from here this should look very familiar to you if you have been sharing any folders or files. Essentially it will have the same exact window. You'll notice a few additional changes that are made to it. One of those is, instead of it saying people in the TN District Attorney's organization, it now says people in your organization, and essentially that's the modification or change within that scope of this option. But the rest stays the same. This will be the exact same functions and options that you will see online, and simply fill out your information, include an email address, include a message, of course is optional, and then send off, and then your recipient, they are going to receive the same message through email, and what that will look like is exactly something similar to this. And when that comes in, your recipient, they'll be able to see exactly the same option here. All they need to do is click on open, and whenever they click on open, it's going to take them to the location where it is shared. But in my case, I'm currently logged into the portal, and instead of clicking on that link, I just went ahead and opened up and have logged into the portal or the Office 365 site. Over here on the left hand side, you may remember that it used to say shared with me. Well, now it's currently shared is the link, and then also on the top toolbar here you'll see shared with me, which these are and should be all of the folders and files that are currently shared with you. Whenever you log in and access it from your account, you should see everything that is shared with you. And also notice that there is an option here if you want to filter. Say once you get things building up in this area, when you get many files and folders shared with you, if you want a way to filter that, check out this new feature. Just right click on it, find this filters pane, and then over on the right hand side here you'll be able to see some filtering options, whether it is oldest to today and which ones it would actually show you. Of course, the closer I get to today, you see here that this was shared with me 6 hours ago. So as I pinpoint that over closer towards today, that is the only folder that does appear. Whenever I go to oldest, it essentially shows everything. And also, if you know that it's a specific document, maybe it's an Excel spreadsheet, and in that case, as you can see here, anything that is checked is going to be the only files that do appear. And in this case, not much of anything. Essentially, if I were to click on that, the Excel spreadsheet would appear. And then also, if it was from a specific person, let me just type in Casey L. Murphy, and you can see here, if you know it's from the specific person, it's going to filter out all of the shared folders and files that come from the person who I have typed in. And you can see here that all of these are currently the shared folders and files that have been shared with me from Casey. Let's go ahead and remove that so all filtering comes up. Click on the filter to get rid of that side pane. And then also you do have the shared by me. So in this case, this will be any of the folders and files that are currently shared by you will be listed over here. Also, I will point out, as things progress and as things build up, you may notice a folder or a file that hangs out here that maybe it was essentially deleted or is no longer available. If that's the case and you want to remove it, all you have to do is click on the little 3-dot launcher, and when you do that, you can actually remove that from the shared list and actually remove it from this current view, and potentially clean things up a little bit. Well, that's all I have in this video. I hope that helps, and just wanted to point out a couple of the changes that hopefully will improve some efficiency on your part and prevent you from having to log into the portal or the site as often as necessary. Well, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.